What is up, YouTube? Do you want to finally compete with the biggest names in the industry? If so, then you're going to need something that, as somebody who's probably brand new in the industry, you really can't get very well. But don't worry, I've got the solution for you. It's coming right up in my review of premium PLR reports from my friend Kevin Feige. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, it's actually quite simple. Because I wear one of these guys pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can bowl successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil here, of course. Now, by the way, if you haven't seen White Collar, great show, love the show. And if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are new, then we're going to get to all the other stuff. But if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead and maybe go watch White Collar sometime. It's a great show. But anyhow, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products from the make money online niche. By the way, if you're wondering what's going on behind me, we're moving in a couple of weeks. That's why my office looks like a mess. Anyhow. And why would I review things like that? Well, it's actually quite simple. So I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? Do you know how often that guy says that? All the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety. Over and over again. Crap, 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 crap. It's really annoying. Really, really annoying. Anyhow. The way things work here, if I like about that, we'll give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love her. How can you get angry at somebody who says such a sweet thing all the time? Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, it doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for the premium PLR reports from my friend Kevin Feige. Kevin is one of the biggest names in the make money online industry. Really a smart person and very honest. Somebody who doesn't play games, and you can tell by looking at his courses. Now, what you see in front of you, this is his personal sales numbers, which is a little bit skewed because the fact of the matter is that Kevin is also a vendor. He sells stuff. Now, while you could sell his premium courses, that's what the point of PLR is, you're probably not going to be doing $18,000 in 30 days, at least not right away. That doesn't mean you're not going to make money, because you definitely can make money, and I'm going to make sure of it, by the way. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do for you, which is going to blow your mind. Here's the deal. So, if you pick up premium PLR reports from me, first of all, as a bonus, I'm going to make this really simple. I'm going to give you the full copy of White Collar PLR. Right now it's going for $20, and let me show you how much this thing is going for here. Okay, this is $13.12. Okay, literally, if I go to White Collar PLR, I'm not kidding. If I go to White Collar PLR, I'm going to show you the sales page right now, live on this video. Okay, I want you to see this, what you're getting. Okay, because I want you to understand you're literally getting more than what you paid for. Let me pause myself. I don't need to hear this thing going. Okay, let's scroll down to the bottom of my sales page here for White Collar PLR. All right, you can see a sample, by the way, if you come visit the website. You can see a sample right here of the kind of videos that I created for White Collar PLR, which are amazing. All right, but check this out. Scroll over to the bottom. It's not $9.95 anymore. It's now $19.95. Okay, that's the actual price. All right, I changed it. I got to take this off, actually, one of these days. But anyway, it says $19.95 right there. That's the actual price for White Collar PLR. All right, pick up the premium PLR reports. Here we go. Okay, and it's $13.12. You get Kevin's thing, and you get mine for your $13. So you're literally paying less if you pick this up and get White Collar PLR with it. Okay, it's only going to be during the launch, though, which means about 2 days, and in 2 days, this thing is going to be gone. You will not be able to get White Collar PLR as a free gift when you pick this up. But I'm going to make it even more crazy for you. pick up any upgrade to Kevin's PLR, premium PLR reports, and I'm going to give you the OTL1, the extended version of White Collar PLR with 10 additional PLR packs, completely for free. So literally, you're getting like 2 for the price of 1. It's a twofer. It really, really is like the biggest no-brainer. Okay, now let me show you the members area here for White Collar for premium PLR. Okay, so this is the members area. You can see here, you get to download all of these courses, and you get to sell these for free, absolutely for free. Okay, there you basically can put down your own material, and I'm going to also give you my video on explaining how to rebrand PLR so you can make more money. And here's the best part. I forgot to mention this before. I apologize. I'm super excited about this, but here's the best part. Go and pick up Kevin's premium PLR reports. If within 60 days of implementing it, you have not managed to make back at least what it cost you, okay? Minimum what it cost you. I think you'll make 10 times what it cost you easily. But if you haven't made back at least what it cost you within 60 days, you come to me and I'm gonna coach you until you make 10 times your money back, okay? That's my guarantee, 100% guaranteed. You will make back your money. Otherwise, I will coach you until you get to 10 times your money. Okay, the only thing you have to do is implement it. That's it. All right, nobody's going to offer this to you, but I know Kevin's stuff is good. I know my stuff is good. And between the two of us, you are unstoppable. Okay, and let's see if I'm going to give a tip man as a product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
It's kind of obvious. Of course, pick this up. You're going to dominate, and I'm going to help you out. And so, yeah, I'm definitely going to be giving a huge tip of my hat. No reservations at all on this thing. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love this.